going to show you how to put a padlock on a door. So this is the kit you can pick up at most hardware stores. It's just a basic slide bar. These are some of the tools you will need. So first things first, I'm going to get this and mark the holes where I want them on the door. Just mark little holes. Then I am going to use hammer and nail to make the holes easier for the screws to put in later. So. You don't want to put the nail all the way in, just a little bit so that you have a hole so the screws go in easier later. You'll do that for every bit that you've marked. Alright, so you also want to mark out where you're putting the little catcher, I suppose it's called. So we'll do that. So you're going to put that on the other side of the door. And I'll snap the pencil. Okay, now I've marked it and I've put my holes in. I am now going to screw this onto the door. So you line it up with your holes, screw in. I'm going to do this to all of the holes until it's screwed on. Okay, so just like before, I've marked out the other side of the door. I'm going to make the holes. So this is a bit harder of wood, so to get the nail back out, you can use this as leverage. You simply just put it there. Decide to grab the nail. There you go. Okay, now I'm going to put this together. So you'll see there's a little back plate and these strange looking little doodads. So that goes on there. Sort it. This goes into it. And then we screw that onto the wall. And so now it's all screwed in, working. Now you can get a padlock. Again, you can get these at most hardware stores or other shops as well. Just a little kit. And there's a hole here. Make sure that this is obviously down here and through the hole. Padlock on. That's it. Alright, thanks for watching DIY with Brittany.